how much should you actually spend on a top-load washer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Filtbaird suspension rods. Let's kick things off with the Filtbaird 2026 upgraded suspension rods for Samsung washers. Priced at just $29.95, these rods caught my attention because they promise stability for your laundry routines. If you want to eliminate those annoying vibrations, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these rods matter for you specifically. They act as a shock absorber, preventing your washer from shaking like crazy during spin cycles. With a length of 26.18 inches, they fit a variety of Samsung models, ensuring that your washer maintains balance and operates quietly. Plus, they help eliminate those frustrating error codes like DC, UR, and UE, which can really disrupt your washing. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you watch the installation video provided, it can save you a lot of hassle, and really isn't a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you've got a Samsung top-load washer that tends to shake a lot. Skip this one if you're looking for a universal fit for other brands. At this price, it offers solid value for maintaining your washer's performance. Now, if Filtbaird's slight installation challenge bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, BNRSC Suspension Rod Kit. Next up is the BNRSC 2026 Upgraded Suspension Rod Kit, retailing at $34.99. It caught my eye due to its thicker springs that promise better shock absorption. If you're dealing with a noisy washer, this might just be the fix you need. These rods feature significantly thicker springs than standard replacements, which means they can handle the rough and tumble of your wash cycles much better. The premium spring steel construction resists rust and moisture, which is key if you're in a humid climate. This translates to your clothes coming out cleaner and your washer lasting longer, making it a smart investment for your laundry room. However, a few users mentioned that the rods could be a bit difficult to fit into older models. But honestly, if your washer is compatible, the performance gain here is hard to beat and really worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a washer that runs quietly and efficiently. Skip this one if you need something that's totally hassle-free to install right out of the box. It's an investment that pays off in peace and quiet. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for an affordable yet effective solution.
Product number 3, CuzVivid Suspension Rods. Now, let's look at the CuzVivid Suspension Rods, priced at $23.99. This one stood out to me because of its compatibility with various Samsung models. If you're on a budget but still want reliability, this is definitely worth checking out. These rods are designed to dampen vibrations effectively, helping to fix the common problems like shaking and banging noises during cycles. With a length of 25.6 inches, they're compatible with several Samsung washers, making them a versatile choice if your model is on the list. They ensure that your washer runs smoothly, significantly reducing the annoying vibrations and noise that can accompany laundry days. Some users did mention they experienced issues with their washer still vibrating after installation. Here's the thing though, if your washer has other underlying issues, it might not be just a matter of the rods. So checking all aspects of your machine is crucial. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this one if your washer is older and might need more than just new rods. It's a great value for keeping your laundry experience smooth. Moving on, if you're looking for something even more specialized, the next product might catch your interest.
Product number 4, Generic Belleville Washers. Next, we have the Generic Belleville Washers, priced at $11.55. These caught my eye because they're designed to handle extreme vibrations, making them suitable for industrial settings too. If you're someone who deals with heavy machinery or just wants something extra secure, this might be your go-to. These washers use a unique double-layer self-locking design that creates irreversible friction, ensuring your bolts stay tight even under extreme conditions. Whether you're dealing with heavy loads or thermal expansion, these washers maintain their grip. They cover a wide range of fastener needs, making them a versatile tool in your toolbox.
However, a downside is that they're not specifically designed for home washers. So if you're just looking for something for your Samsung, these might be overkill. But if you do have machinery or equipment that requires extra care, these are incredibly helpful. This is perfect for you if you work with industrial machinery or need a reliable fastening solution. Skip this one if you're just looking for standard household maintenance. At this price, they offer solid protection and peace of mind. All right, that was a unique option, but let's finish strong with our final pick.
Product number 5, Limo K-Parts suspension rods, priced at $23.97. These are upgraded for performance and durability, which really grabbed my attention. If you're tired of constant noise from your washer, these might just be the solution. What makes these rods stand out is their thicker design and reinforced springs, which help minimize deformation and noise. They address common problems like excessive vibration and various error codes, ensuring your washer operates smoothly even at high speeds. With a length of 26.2 inches, they're compatible with a wide array of Samsung models. Some reviewers pointed out that they might take longer to install than expected, but honestly, considering how quiet and stable they make your washer, that time investment is totally worth it if you want a serene laundry experience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable upgrade for your Samsung washer. Skip this one if you need something that's super quick to install right away. Given their quality, they make for excellent value.
To sum it up, we've seen the Filtbaird and BNRSZ for those who want reliable performance, the CuzVivid for budget-conscious users, the generic Belleville for those tackling heavy machinery, and the Limo K-Parts for a quieter laundry routine. No matter what you're looking for, there's a top-load washer option here that can fit your needs.